Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your wireless phone charger in the 2022 Kia Niro EV. I have in front of me here an SX Touring in Yacht Blue. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the wireless charging pad is located here underneath the climate control. What we're going to do is head into the instrument panel and make sure it's turned on. We're going to use the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel here to navigate through. I'm going to use the sheet of paper button to go sideways through the menu. Over to the user settings. We're going to go down into convenience, and then we're going to make sure that the wireless charging system is checkmarked on. So I'm going to press OK to turn it on. Then you take your phone, as long as you don't have a pop socket or a finger ring or a card holder on the back of it, and you have a phone that's compatible with wireless charging, you go ahead and place it into the wireless charging pad, and you'll see there's a little light that comes on next to the universal symbol to let you know that the phone is charging. If you have a door open, I'm going to open my door, you'll see it is going to stop charging. Once the door is closed, give it a moment and it will kick back in and start charging again. Just like that. And if you were to leave your phone in there, you were done with the car, you went and turned it off, and I opened the door, it's going to ping on the instrument panel there just to remind you that your device is still in the wireless charging pad. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing if you're enjoying our content. And please go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.